Keen.
Welcome to Green and Keen. Ready to challenge your brain? Get ready to learn and have fun. We'll have 3 stages, each with 10 challenging questions and some exciting bonus rounds to top it off. Here we go. Stage 1, addition and subtraction. Question number 1, 6 plus 3 equals... The answer is 9. Question number 2. 9 plus 2 equals... The answer is 11. Question number 3. 12 plus 5 equals... The answer is 17. Question number 4. 15 minus 3 equals... The answer is 12. Question number 5. 16 minus 6 equals... The answer is 10. Question number 6. 18 minus 4 equals... The answer is 14. Question number 7. 13 plus 8 equals... The answer is 21. Question number 8. 15 plus 5 equals... The answer is 20. Question number 9. 23 minus 4 equals... The answer is 19. Question number 10. 22 minus 6 equals... The answer is 16. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 10 plus 10 plus 12 equals... The answer is 32. Bonus question number 2. 12 plus 5 minus 7 equals... The answer is 10. Bonus question number 3. 10 plus 11 plus 2 equals... The answer is 23. Wow, that was awesome! You've done an amazing job on stage 1. Now get ready for a more challenging questions on stage 2. Here we go! Stage 2, multiplication and division. Question number 1, 5 times 3 equals... The answer is 15. Question number 2. 8 times 2 equals... The answer is 16. Question number 3. 5 times 4 equals... The answer is 20. Question number 4. 18 divided by 2 equals... The answer is 9. Question number 5. 21 divided by 3 equals... The answer is 7. Question number 6. 30 divided by 5 equals... The answer is 6. Question number 7. 6 times 6 equals... The answer is 36. Question number 8. 9 times 3 equals... The answer is 27. Question number 9. 60 divided by 10 equals... The answer is 6. Question number 10. 24 divided by 2 equals... The answer is 12. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 3 times 3 times 0 equals... The answer is 0. Bonus question number 2. 40 divided by 5 equals... The answer is 8. Bonus question number 3. 4 times 5 times 1 equals... The answer is 20. Fantastic! I know you are a math whiz. Now let's keep the momentum going. Brace yourself for the next stage. Stage 3, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Question number 1, 11 plus 4 equals... The answer is 15. Question number 2, 16 minus 3 equals... The answer is 13. Question number 3. 4 times 7 equals... The answer is 28. Question number 4. 20 divided by 4 equals... The answer is 5. Question number 5. 16 plus 4 equals... The answer is 20. Question number 6. 18 minus 7 equals... The answer is 11. Question number 7. 12 times 3 equals... The answer is 36. Question number 8. 24 divided by 2 equals... The answer is 12. Question number 9. 20 plus 8 equals... The answer is 28. Question number 10. 23 minus 3 equals... The answer is 20. Here comes the bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 3 times 4 plus 9 equals... The answer is 21. Bonus question number 2. 20 plus 10 plus 20 equals... The answer is 50. Bonus question number 3. 2 times 5 times 3 equals... The answer is 30. Congratulations! You've conquered today's challenge. You should be very proud of yourself. Subscribe for a daily math challenge. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your classmates, siblings, parents, everyone, to see who has the sharpest mind. I will see you on the next episode.